Move over treadmills and tread lightly on weights for a moment. Boxing, the art of throwing punches and dodging them with finesse, isn't just for professional athletes anymore. This dynamic and high-energy workout offers a plethora of health benefits for people of all ages and fitness levels. From burning calories and building muscle, to boosting mood and reducing stress, boxing is a powerful tool for transforming your physical and mental well-being. This comprehensive guide dives deep into the world of boxing workouts, unveiling the science behind their effectiveness and empowering you to embark on your own boxing fitness journey. Beyond the ring, debunking the myths of boxing workouts. Myth number 1, boxing is only for tough guys. Absolutely not. Boxing gyms cater to all fitness levels, offering beginner-friendly classes and modifications that allow you to train at your own pace. Myth number 2, boxing will make me look bulky. Boxing focuses on building lean muscle, not bulky physiques. You'll experience toning and definition throughout your body. Myth number 3, boxing requires expensive equipment. While a good pair of gloves is essential, basic boxing workouts can be done anywhere with minimal equipment. The science behind the sweat, unpacking the benefits of boxing. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches, it's a full-body experience offering a multitude of benefits. Fat burning and weight loss. Boxing is a fantastic calorie burner. The combination of high-intensity punching, footwork, and dodging drills elevates your heart rate and metabolic rate, leading to significant calorie expenditure. Muscle building and toning. Every punch you throw engages various muscle groups, including your core, legs, shoulders, and arms. This translates to increased strength, improved posture, and a sculpted physique. Cardiovascular health boost. Boxing is a high-intensity cardio workout that strengthens your heart and improves your circulatory system. This reduces your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and other chronic conditions. Enhanced coordination and balance. Boxing requires precise footwork, hand-eye coordination, and agility. Regular training hones these skills, improving your overall balance and coordination, stress relief, and improved mental toughness. Boxing provides a powerful outlet for stress. Focusing on punches, footwork, and drills allows you to declutter your mind and release pent-up frustration. Additionally, boxing builds mental toughness and resilience, qualities that translate beyond the gym. Increased confidence and self-esteem. Mastering new skills in boxing can be incredibly empowering. As your fitness level improves, so does your confidence, both inside and outside the gym. From beginner to badass, a boxing workout journey for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a complete beginner, there's a boxing workout waiting for you. Beginners shadow boxing mimic punches and footwork drills without a partner. Focus mitts. Train with a partner who holds pads for you to target with punches. Jump rope. Improves coordination, agility, and cardiovascular fitness. Intermediate heavy bag workouts. Punching a heavy bag provides resistance training and builds power. Partner drills. Practice basic boxing combinations with a partner while focusing on technique. Circuit training. Combine boxing exercises with bodyweight movements or light weights for a total body workout. Advanced sparring, controlled fighting with a partner supervised by a trainer to refine skills and test your reflexes. Advanced footwork drills. Enhance agility and movement patterns crucial for advanced boxing techniques. Strength training. Supplement boxing with strength training exercises to build additional muscle mass and power. The art of the punch, essential boxing techniques for beginners. Mastering the basic punches is your foundation for effective and safe boxing workouts. Jab, a quick, straight punch thrown with your lead hand. Cross, a powerful punch thrown with your rear hand in a crossing motion. Hook, a short, rounded punch thrown with either hand in a hooking motion. Uppercut, a vertical punch thrown upwards with either hand. Remember, proper form is crucial to preventing injuries. Seek guidance from a certified boxing instructor who can teach you proper technique and footwork. Building your boxing arsenal, essential equipment and resources. Essential gear: boxing gloves. Choose gloves appropriate for your hand size and workout intensity. Hand wraps. Protect your wrists and knuckles while providing support. Jumping rope. Optional. A fantastic tool for improving agility and cardiovascular fitness. Comfortable workout clothes and shoes. Opt for breathable clothing and shoes that offer good ankle support.